Does anyone else leave their like spoon in their coffee? I like always do this. I never take it out. I like stir it and just leave it in and then just hold it back whenever I take a sip. I feel like that's a weird thing. Anyway, today's video is going to be getting my life together and in a vlog style, because I feel like I've been wanting to film one of these videos for a really long time and just show you guys how I like to bounce back into routine. Nyx is currently like, oh, they're both going crazy. Cool. Super annoying. Even though today is actually Friday, I don't typically start my like routines on Friday, but today felt like a good day because I've had kind of a weird week. I have not been eating well, which is the first thing that I need to fix. And I just feel like I'm finally like back in business. As you guys saw on my Instagram, if you follow me, I had to get a new phone. I got the 8 Plus, which is like so much bigger than my 7. Like, it's actually kind of insane, the difference, and I'm waiting on my case, so it's very unprotected right now, so I'm gonna put it back. But I had to deal with that, and then I've just had a lot of work things, and like whenever my work life is like up here, the rest of my life is like down here, so my mood has kind of been like in a weird spot. But today, I don't know why I told you all that, but today I feel like I'm really getting back into it. I do have some work to do, but I'm also planning out September videos and everything, which I love doing, and it just helps me feel a lot more like organized and everything, as you can probably imagine with anything. So I figured I would show you guys today kind of my get back to routine type of vibe. I need to take some vitamins because I haven't had vitamins in a really long time. These are all the things that I think about, like if I'm at my prime, I'm doing all these things correctly, if that makes sense. So anyway, I am starting off with planning my videos in my Kikki planner, because I can actually like write down the ideas. So here they are in yellow because it's fun. And so yeah, I have a lot of like fun videos planned, and then I have my day designer from Target that I use for like all my other appointments and everything. Yeah, so I'm just sitting here watching some YouTube videos. If you guys didn't know, like I watch a ton of YouTube. I feel like not a lot of influencers maybe watch as much YouTube as me. Like I should be doing other things, but I watch a lot of videos. And then I'm also just finishing up my Miami vlog, which I had to re-export because I messed up on one thing and I really wanted to fix it. So it's just getting uploaded now, and then I'm gonna post it. If you guys haven't seen that, I'll link it down below. It's like a 20-minute vlog and I really like it, so hopefully you guys like it too and don't mind that it's long. But yeah, so that's kind of the first thing I needed to do today, was get that up and then promo it on my Instagram, which these are all the things that I don't know if you guys like notice or behind the scenes. Like I have to make a separate little video and then export it, send it to myself, and then like decorate it and then post it and link it and everything. And then later today I will post my Instagram also mentioning it, which will be later on in the day. So I always forget that. I'm like in bed and I'm like, shit, I haven't posted an Instagram today. So then I do that. That's pretty much it. So far I need to have some breakfast because it's already almost 11:30. All right, breakfast is done. Avocado, eggs, super simple, but it's what my body needs right now. While my eggs are cooking, here's an outfit of the day. I'm wearing my Brunette the Label set. So these shorts I wear so often, they are so comfy, but when I'm getting my life together, oh, the hair looks cute. When I'm getting my life together, this is usually what you'll find me in until I actually get dressed for the day. Okay, update for you guys. I've gotten myself fully ready. I have not worn full face of makeup since Miami and it feels so good. I'm even wearing lashes today because I had to take a Instagram picture that needs to be approved. So I did that, which is good. It edited so well. This is like my first time taking selfies on my new camera and it looked really good and it edited so well. The feeling of being able to edit freely without having the storage thing come up being like, you're out of space, and Lightroom being like, not gonna happen, is really great. So I got that done, and I also got a delivery If you guys didn't know, Cody's mission in life is to find the best solution for cat litter, or just like their potty basically. We have tried so many things, and it's always his area of expertise, and so we have gotten this. This is the Breeze Hooded System Odor Control Tidy Cats. I have literally no idea what this is, but apparently it's like pellets instead of litter clumps, and I really don't know. But he ordered it off Amazon. Hopefully it works, because the cats have just been making such a mess, and I feel like I clean it all the freaking time. So if you care, I may give you an update on this, but again, that's his passion project, so we're gonna let him deal with it when he gets home. Hey guys, so it is currently Monday evening, quite a few days later than the last time you saw me. I have just had a nice long weekend, but I'm trying to get back into my routine tonight so I can set myself up for a good week, and that basically just involved me cleaning the kitchen up from dinner and just picking up the living room. I'm doing a clean with me probably later on this week, so I will not be doing any vacuuming or anything tonight. I think I'm just going to take a little bit of a me night, do my full skincare routine, face mask, that kind of thing, because whenever I'm getting back into routine, skincare is definitely a big priority, especially with traveling and everything. So I want to get back into that and just kind of plan out my videos, kind of continue off what I was doing earlier. But I wanted to come on and end this vlog. I know it was kind of random and all over the place, but let me know if you guys liked it, and if you like these kinds of videos. Hopefully it was kind of helpful for some of you, I don't know. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great day.